back to my channel. I know I told you guys that we would be opening up 2 of these lightning packs, but Miss Hands was bored and she ended up opening up the first one. So here were the hits from that pack. We have Pikachu V from Fusion Strike, Radiant Steelix, aka Shiny Steelix, and Full Art Volo. So we'll put those off into DUK2's VIP section. And now we are opening up this this lightning box with Vivid Voltage, Fusion Strike, Brilliant Stars, and the Trick or Trade. Here's the the bonus card, Shaman. That can go over here in the DUK2's special thing. So Miss Hands is going to be opening up the Trick or Trade. Mr. Hands is going to be opening up Brilliant Stars. So we're going to be, so here's the Chandelure, Zubat, and Dusclops. So we are going to be also opening up the Galarian Articuno tin and Scarlet and Violet ETB. And that was the wrap. So here's the code for the Brilliant Stars.
Oh, something.
It's still 4 to the front, even though that's the V-Star marker. So here we have the V-Star. Sharon's Care. Pachirisu. Kindler. Purloin. Milcery. Shinx. Impidimp. Golett. A Reverse Kindler. And a non-hollow Dialga. Next we have Fusion Strike. And Miss Hand says hi. Let's see if we can add anything to DUK2's VIP section. Here's the code for Fusion Strike. And here's a code for the Evolving Skies. And we have a Skitty, a Slugma, a Gligar, a Cufant, a Pansage, a Reverse Pingaro, an Energy, something Trevorant, Excadrill, and we have another Pikachu. Hey, the same one. So we'll put that all off to DUK2's. And Mr. Hands is going to be opening up Vivid Voltage. So while he's doing that, I'll give you guys the codes for the packs that we opened yesterday off camera. So we have this, Lost Origin, we have the Vivid Voltage that Mr. Hands is just opening up. We have this code for Fusion Strike. Okay, now we have an Electric Energy, Opal, Metang, Girafarig, Clefairy, Phanpy, Yama, Galarian Meow, Dusclops. And we have both Xerneas, Hollow Rare and non-Hollow Rare. So next up we have the Crown Zenith ETB, not ETB. We already, so I'm going to be opening up one of these Crown Zenith packs. So there's the wrapper. That's my pack I'm going to be opening up. Here's the code for the tin. And Mr. Hands wants to open up a Crown Zenith. Here's the promo. And we'll put that where DUK2 is. So I'm going to be opening up this when Mr. and Mrs. Hands are done with this. So here's Mr. Hands' code. Scarlet and Violet is weird because we have a different code, pack trick, I should say. Conurchant, Pokemon Catcher, Yama, Chatot, a Love Disc, a Emolga, Retrieval Energy. I'll reverse this and this. We have a Miss Hands' code. We have a Yanma, we have a Chatot, we have a Love Disc, we have an Emolga, we have Energy Retrieval, we have a Wailord. That was the rare. Okay, that's... I don't know if we can get anything from Crown Zen.
These are terrible.
Here's the code for another one of Mr. Hands' let's see if we can get anything good from Mr. Hands' pack. We have an Execute Order 66, we have a Cherubi, we have a Yongoose, we have a Pokeball, we have a Scyther, we have this one, we have a Zamazenta Beastar, yahoo! And that will go into DUK2's VIP section. Here's Mrs. Hand's code. We have a Ponyard. We have a Snowrunt. We have a Pancham. We have a Shinx. We have a Wooloo. We have a Hollow Zarude. That was the rare. That was the rare. Unless if something good comes. We have a Lightning Energy. We have a Energy Switch. We have a Girafarig. Oh no, Psyduck died. And also here comes Golduck. We have a Carnivine. And we have, woohoo! A full art Sharon's Care. That goes also in the VIP section. Okay, I'm gonna open up my pack now. So, hopefully, DUK2 can bring it some luck. So, soon on this channel, we are going to be building our first ever Lego set. Here is the code. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's the rare. And here's the reverse. So we have a Shaman, Hisui. We have a Luxio, we have a Scyther, we have a Starly, we have a Riolu, we have an Aeron, we have a Rockruff, we have a Dusclops, and we have a Thingamabobber. So we are going to be opening up this Scarlet and Violet ETB on the next video. So make sure to stick around with this, and also soon on this channel we are going to be opening up our first ever Lego set and building it. It is 285 pieces. It comes with these 2 minifigures, and we are going to be building this on my channel. This will come out soon, like very soon. So stick around for that and the ETB. So peace out. DUK2 say goodbye. Miss Hand say bye. And Mr. Hand say bye. Okay, we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.